Hello, Kevin. Good
Hello.
evening. Hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening, and welcome again to our class. So, how are you today? Wow, that's good to know. It's nice to see you again. Did you already eat your dinner?
Um,
Did you already eat, or still no? I know. Really? You haven't eaten your dinner? Uh, it's okay. So, are you ready to learn new words for today? Ready,
yes,
ready? Okay. So last time, we talked about hobbies. So just to review, when we say hobbies, Kevin, these are the fun activities that you choose to do in your free time because you enjoy it. For example, you like playing basketball. So basketball is a hobby, especially when you do it in your free time. So that is hobbies. How about you? How about you, Kevin? What hobby or what is your hobby? What are the things that you do in your free time? What are the things that you do in your free time? Do you like to play basketball?
yes,
Yes, basketball.
yes.
Oh, okay. So we can say basketball is my hobby. Okay, let's
Yes.
Yes, let's say it in a sentence for you to be able to practice your speaking skills. So let's say basketball is
Is puppy.
my it,
My
my hobby.
basketball
Basketball is my hobby.
is my hobby.
Okay, very good. Wow, that's a good hobby. Okay, so now let's learn more about the things that we do, especially in our free time. So these are our hobbies. So let's go first in our first hobby, which is we learned last time. So do you still remember this one? So what are these in the picture? Hmm, what do we call this? Okay, so let's analyze first. Yeah, do you
Is
know?
karate.
It's
Karate.
karate. Yes, very good. The first picture is karate. How about the second picture?
Is running.
Running. How about the third?
Is football.
Football. How about the fourth picture?
Is swimming.
Swimming. How about this one? Do you remember what is this?
Mhm.
Okay, so we call this one as
Skateball.
skateboard or skateboarding. Yeah. And how about how about this one? This is your hobby.
Is basketball.
It's basketball. How about this?
Is boxing.
Boxing, very good. And how about this one? Do you know what is this hobby? So we usually play this in the ice or in the winter season. Okay, so again, this one is what we call
Is
skiing.
skiing.
Okay, again, skiing.
Skiing.
Okay, very good. How about the last one?
Basketball.
Is it basketball?
Baseball.
Very good. It's baseball. So remember, so don't forget the letter E in the word baseball. So we do not read it as baseball. We read it as baseball. Okay, again, how
Baseball.
okay, very good. Again, what sport is this? What is this one?
Is baseball.
Very good. Baseball. So good job. Okay, so for this one, so we have here several things that we do, and we call these things as doing sports. Okay, so for our first hobby, so we have doing sports. Okay, again, what is this hobby?
E basketball.
Huh? It's basketball. All of this. All
Doing what?
Okay, very good. So it is doing sports. So when we say doing sports, so these are the hobby like playing games such as soccer, basketball, football, running, all of this. All of these are what we call sports. And this is one of the hobbies that children or other people do. Okay, again, what is this? What is our first hobby? It's what's our first hobby? What do we call it?
Balay basketball.
Hmm? Only basketball?
Doing what?
Okay, very good. So doing sports. So this is our first hobby. And for you, so since your hobby is basketball, so that is how you do sports by playing basketball. Okay. And next, how about in our second picture? Do you still remember what is our or what is the name of the hobby that we have in our second picture? Hmm.
Is
What is
painting drawing.
very good? Painting and drawing. What is this one? Painting and drawing. Is this a picture? So
Picture.
yes. Yes. So our second hobby, so it is all about painting and drawing pictures. Okay. S- Yes, so like in the picture, so the boy, so he is painting, he is drawing a picture. Now, let's analyze. Let's look at the picture. What is the boy drawing, Kevin?
The boy drawing my house.
Very good. The boy is drawing.
A house.
Very good. The boy is drawing a house. Good job. And how about you? How about you, Kevin? Do you also like to draw?
Yes.
Yes. What are the things that you draw? Do you
It
also do you also draw a house? Or do you draw people,
is home.
animal? A home, house also. You also draw house or your home. Is that correct? How about animals? Don't you like to draw animals or people? Okay. What do you like more, Kevin? Do you like doing
Yes.
sports? Yes.
I like doing small.
Mm-hmm.
I like draw. Draw.
Oh, you both like doing sports and you also like drawing. Is
Yeah.
that correct? Wow, that's very good. So these are the hobbies that we do or that we enjoy doing. So again, what is our first hobby? What is our first?
It doing.
Doing doing what? Doing
Doing sport.
very good. Doing sports. How about our second hobby? What is this in the picture? What is the boy doing?
It painting and drawing picture.
Okay, very good. So those are our first two hobbies. So now let's move on to our next hobby. So by looking at the picture, Kevin, what do you think is the hobby or the hobby of these two people? What are they doing first? So this let's look at the boy first. Do you know what instrument is this one? Hmm. What is that?
In music.
Music. Yes, very good. But do you know what is the name of this
In
instrument?
piano.
Very good. It's piano. How about this one?
In guitar.
Guitar. Very good. So now, so the hobby that we have here is
Playing the piano or guitar.
okay. So
Balay Sa piano or guitar.
Okay, very good. So you are also correct with what you have said earlier. So music. So they are doing music. So playing piano or guitar. So we are doing music. So many people they enjoy playing instruments, not only piano or guitar, but they also play a trumpet. They also play drums. Do you know drums? Like the big, big drums. Let me show you some picture. This one. So this one, drums, drums, drums. Okay, this. So um, people they do not only play piano or guitar. They can also play drums, and they can also play a lot of instruments. Like for example, this one. So we have a wide range of instruments. So we have violin, we have drums, we have guitars, different kinds of guitars, we have trumpets and other instruments. So by playing these instruments, so we can build or create music. How about you? How about you, Kevin? Do you know how to play an instrument? Do you know how to play an instrument like guitar? Do you know how to play
Yes.
guitar? Oh, really? Yes. How about piano?
Yeah.
Oh, you also know how? Wow, that's good. But what do you like more? Do you like to doing sports, draw pictures, or play instruments? What do you like more? Do you like playing basketball? Do you like to draw? Or do you,
Phone.
you like basketball more? Okay, so you are a sporty person. Okay, so for this one, for people who usually likes to play instruments, so they are what we call musicians. Okay, so they
Musician.
yes, so we call them musicians. They are the one who create music by using different kinds of instruments. And this is their hobby to play piano, guitar, and any other instruments. Okay, so so before we proceed to our next hobby, so what is again our first hobby? What's our first hobby? It's, hmm, so we have three hobbies. What is
Doing,
the first one?
oh,
It's
doing sport.
okay, very good. How about the second one? Hmm,
Draw a picture.
very good. Draw, uh, painting and drawing pictures. And the third one is?
He plays the piano or guitar.
Okay, very good. So those are the first three hobbies that we have. So now let's proceed to our next hobby. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. So we have here a boy and a girl, and they are playing with something. So what do we call this one?
He plays a kite.
Very good. Flying kite. Very good. So they are flying a kite. So this one, so they are playing with a kite. This is a kite. So our fourth hobby that we
Flying
have
a kite.
is flying a kite. So when we say flying a kite, it is playing with or using a kite. So we usually fly a kite in the sky. Okay. Have you tried playing a kite before? Have you tried playing a kite? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh yes. How was your experience? Is it fun to fly a kite? Is it fun? Yes. Oh, what is the call? What
He
is the
fly a kite.
Yes, it's fun to play or to fly a kite. And what is the color of your kite? What's the color? of your kite before? Is it color blue or is it also color orange and yellow?
It black.
Oh, it's color black. Wow, that's a nice color. How about who do you play a kite with? Who do you play kite with? Did you play with your friends? Did you
Is
play with your brother?
it brother.
Ah, okay. So we can say it in a sentence. We can say, I play kite with
Have
my.
my brother.
Okay, very good. So that's so nice. Okay, so this is our fourth hobby. So flying a kite. So now let's again review the first four hobbies that we learned. First one is, that is the first one. First hobby,
No, it's what?
doing sports. How about the second one?
It draw a picture.
Draw a picture or painting and drawing a picture. How about the third hobby?
Is
Hmm.
playing music or guitar.
What do we call this? What playing? What is the other
Playing
instrument?
piano and of the guitar.
Very good. How about the fourth one? The fourth one is
Is like is
very good. Flying kite.
playing
Okay. Good job. So those are our four hobbies. And next, let's proceed and move on to our next hobby. Okay. So by looking at this picture, Kevin, what do you think is the hobby of this girl? What is she doing?
is uh singing.
Singing. Very good. The girl is singing. Good jobs. For the fifth hobby, so
Singing songs.
our next hobby is singing songs. Okay, so when we say singing songs, so we use our voice to make music. So earlier, so we use instruments to make music, but now when we are doing the hobby singing songs, so we use our own voice to make music. Okay, how about you, Kevin? Do you know how to sing? Or do you sing? Ah, no, really? But do you have a favorite song? Do you have a favorite song? Yes or no? Hmm.
Yes.
What's your favorite song? Is it a Vietnamese song or English song? Hmm. What's your favorite song? Is it Vietnamese or is it in English? Hello?
Is um
It's
is
is it Vietnamese? Huh?
English song. English song.
Ah, English song. Really? What is the name of the English song? Or what is the name of the your favorite English song? What is the name?
Is
It's it's what is the name? Is it a children's song?
no. Is
And
water.
it's it's what?
Name water.
Oh, is it Vietnamese song?
Man, it matigalan siya ko.
Oh, what happened?
It
Oh,
matino.
it?
It a Vietnamese song.
Ah, okay. That's why. That's why I cannot understand the name of the
It
song.
Mackenoy.
Nakeno?
Mackenoy.
Makenoy? Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, wow. I think that's a good song. I will listen to it later. Okay, so again, so this is our fifth hobby. So we will proceed now to our sixth hobby. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, so next, how about in this picture, Kevin? What is she doing? So hmm?
She
let's
cooking.
cooking. Very
She
good.
cooking.
Yes, it can be cooking. But first, what food is this? What food is
Eat,
she making?
eat cake.
It's cake. Very good. It's cake. So for this hobby, so we have
Making cakes.
making cake. So very good. Making cakes is one of the example of cooking because making cakes, we are cooking a sweet food in the oven. Okay, so like this one. So we usually make cakes or we usually cook sweet food. So by making cakes, by making cupcakes, by making desserts. Okay. How about you, Kevin? When it is your birthday, do you usually have cake or do you usually have a cake?
Yes.
What's your favorite
Uh,
cake flavor?
make cakes.
Mm, you also know how to make cakes? You know how to make cakes? Wow. Or your mother? Does your mother know
Eat chocolate.
a chocolate is your favorite flavor?
Eat
Wow.
chocolate.
Chocolate, yes. Wow. That's a nice flavor. That's also my favorite flavor when it comes to a cake. That's so good. Okay. How about your mother, Kevin? Does your mom knows how to make cakes?
Making yes.
Oh, yes. Really? Your mom knows how to make cakes? That's so nice. Because you will be having your cakes for free. Okay, so for this one, so our other term or name for making cakes is what we call as baking. So
Chocolate.
yes, baking. So usually when we say baking, so we cook pastries or we cook bread, cakes, cupcakes, and mostly about pastries. Okay, like for example, this one. Let me show you some examples of pastries that most of the people usually bake. So, like
Make
this one, these are the breads, different kinds of flavor. So that is baking. So baking is usually cooking food but in bread form or in pastries. Okay, so that's it. That is our six hobby. So now let's review. Since we have six hobbies, so let's review all of those hobbies that we had learned. So let's go first with our first hobby. They still remember what is our first hobby? Hmm. What do we call the hobby? Like playing games such as basketball, football. Hmm. What is that hobby?
it it is ball.
Okay, very good. How about our
The
second hobby?
it doing spa.
Yes, very good. The first one is doing sports.
Uh,
How about the second one? Hmm. So we
painting, painting, and drawing a picture.
very good. Painting and drawing a picture or pictures. Very good. How about the third one?
Um, it playing the the piano or guitar.
Okay, very good. So next, how about the fourth one?
It flying a kite.
Flying a kite. And the fifth one?
It's singing
Singing what? Singing?
song.
Singing. Very good. Singing songs. And our sixth is?
Making cakes.
Okay, very good. So making cake. So now let's proceed to our seventh hobby. Okay, how about this one? What is the girl doing in the picture? Hmm.
Even that is
Is so the girl. What do we call this? So the girl also have it. What do we call this one? So this one is what we call headset or headphones. Okay, and what do we do?
listen to music.
Very good. Wow. So that is what we do, especially when we have headphones or headset. So we usually listen to music. So earlier, so we have playing instruments, we have singing songs, and now we listen to music. Okay. So when we say this hobby,
Listening to music.
so it is hearing songs for fun or relaxation. So especially when we are sad, when we are stressed, so we can listen to music to have fun. Like for example, you have your favorite song. So when you are sad, you can listen to your favorite song. Okay, so that's it. And yes. And how about what kind of music? Do you first listen to music, Kevin? Do you listen to music?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of music do you like to listen to? Do you like to listen to rock music, um, pop music, sad songs, happy songs? What kind of music? Or like children's songs? What
Making
kind? What kind of music do you like to listen to? Do you like children's songs? Or do you like animated songs? Or more of Vietnamese songs? Since your favorite song is in Vietnamese, so
pop music.
it's
Pop music.
Paul music? This one?
Pop music.
Ah, pop music. Okay, wow, that's a nice music choice because pop music it is very trending, especially in our generation nowadays. So most people listen to pop music because pop music are those music that people had fun too. Okay, wow, that's so nice. Okay, so again, this is our seventh, seventh hobby, which is listening to music. So now let's proceed to the next hobbies that we have. Okay, by looking at the picture, what is the boy and the girl doing? Hmm, what is the boy and the girl doing?
Um,
What is this? What is this one?
reading.
Reading a
Cat.
hmm?
Book.
Reading a cat? They are reading a cat. Okay, so they are reading a book. Okay, so for our eighth hobby, so we have a
Reading
reading.
stories.
We can say it as reading a book or reading stories. So both are similar. Both things are similar. So we can use any of the two, reading books or reading stories. So when we say reading stories, so we look at the books or we look at books and enjoy some stories. So these stories, it can be about animals, it can be about people, and it can be about different kinds of stories. Or especially at school, we have a lot of books at school that we need to read. So that is reading books or reading stories. How about you, Kevin? Do you like to read books? Do you like to read books? Yes or no?
Oh,
No, no? You don't like to read books? Do you like? Do you like to read books? Yes or no? No?
yes,
Oh
yes.
yes. Wow. Yes. Okay, we can say yes. I like to read. Okay. So that's so good to know that you like to read books. What kind of books that you read? What kind? What kind of books that you read? Do you read books about animals? Animals? About nature? About people? Or about like
It,
this?
it, it,
It's
it's future.
oh, computer?
Future.
Huh? It's
It's
computer?
future. Yes.
How? What
It,
is?
it Doraemon.
Ah, Doraemon. Oh, I like to read stories about Doraemon. Wow, that's a nice story, Doraemon. Most of my students, they really like Doraemon. That's a nice story because Doraemon is a very a good character. So it's Doraemon is the blue character, right? He is color blue. Am I right? Doraemon. Doraemon is color blue and white. Is that correct?
No, it's
Huh?
yellow.
Ah, he is yellow. Really? Really? Because I saw here. So Doraemon is color blue. This one is Doraemon, right? Yeah. Or
Yeah.
or huh? This one is Doraemon, right? He is color blue and white, and has a red nose. Okay, this is the kind of books or book that you read. Wow, that's so nice to know that this story has a good lesson that you will learn. So make sure so you continue to read books because reading books so it will make you learn more things about different kinds of culture, different kinds of things that you should learn as a child. Okay, so that's why reading stories, it is one of the good hobbies that you can do as a child because you will learn a lot. Okay, so next, let's proceed to our next hobby. So, what hobby is this? So, there is this boy and his father. And what are the boy and father doing? What are they doing? Are they
It,
swimming?
uh, it,
No, they are not
fish.
swimming. Fish, very
Fishing.
good. They are fishing, very good. So, our next hobby is
Fishing with Dad.
fishing with dad. Okay, so for this hobby, so mostly this hobby is mostly done by boys or boys like you or men. So because fishing, it is mostly done by father or dad. How about in your household, Kevin? Does your father fish, or does your father likes to fish, or no? Do you fish with your dad, Kevin? Yes. Yes. No? You don't fish
Yeah,
with
yeah, 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 yeah. You know.
no. What is your answer? What really is your answer? Do you fish with your dad? Huh? Yes or no?
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no. Because mostly for these people that has this hobby, so this is just for people who has house near the river, near the sea. Because we can only fish in places with big place that has water and that has a lot of fishes. So this hobby, so it is catching a fish with a fishing rod. So this one, this stick that we can see, this is what we call as the fishing rod. That is what we use to catch some fish. So usually, so in this part of the fishing rod, so we usually put a fish bait, and that bait will be eaten by the fish. So it will be like a trap for the fish for us to catch the fish. Okay. So have you ever gone fishing, or have you ever experienced fishing when you go to the beach? Have you ever experienced fishing when going to the beach? Have you gone to a
Oh,
beach? I know, really? You don't try to fish when you are at the beach?
I'm not. I'm not.
I know, really? Because at
Yes,
the
yes.
beach, oh yes, have you tried it? Yes
It
or no?
no.
I know, it's no. Because at the beach, mostly there are a lot of fishes at the beach because a beach has a wide place for water. So it is the sea. So it that's why we can see, or we can experience seeing a lot of fishes, not only small fishes, but there are also big fishes like whales, like sharks, and everything, especially in the United States. Most of their beaches, they have um, big fishes like sharks, whales, dolphins. But for those, I think it is um, not required or not advisable to fish big fishes. So we usually just catch small fishes. Okay, that is mostly. And for these people that has the hobby of fishing, so we call them usually as fishermen. Fishermen. Okay, so these are the people who usually catch catch people. These are the people who usually catches fish, and it's their job to do it. So not just their hobby, but it is also their job. Okay, so they are the fishermen. And also for this hobby, so this hobby only applies to those people who lives near the sea, near the river, or near the lake. Okay. And okay, so now since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so we already have learned 9 hobbies. So let's review again if you still remember those 9 hobbies. So let's start first with our first hobby. What is our first hobby? Hmm,
Is football. It
football,
no is doing spa.
doing sports. Very good. How about our second picture?
It ro in a picture and
Drawing pictures and or draw or painting. Painting, again, let's say painting and drawing pictures.
painting and drawing picture.
Okay, very good. How about the third hobby? What is this hobby?
Is
Playing, playing.
playing the piano or
Okay, very good. How about the fourth? Fourth hobby.
is is
It's
is
hmm. This is what we do outside. It's
flying kite.
okay, very good. It's flying a kite. How about next? Next
Is
is
singing a song.
very good. Singing songs or singing a song. Next. Hmm. When we say this hobby, it means as cooking sweet food. Cooking sweet food in the oven. What do we make? Hmm. It is making.
Making cake.
Okay, very good. Making cakes. And next is, the next hobby is, we use headset or headphone to do this hobby. What is that? Hmm. Starts with letter L.
Thank you, music.
Very good. Listening to music. How about the next one? Next one is,
To music.
yes, listening to music. How about the next? The eighth hobby. Hmm. It is,
Na drawing one.
huh? Like this. What is this? What am I doing?
Na drawing one.
Reading my Pokemon. Yes, it's reading. So the general term that we had used is reading stories. And for the last one, or for our ninth hobby is this one. Fishing. Okay, very good. Fishing with dad. Okay, so very good. Wow, good job for recalling all of the hobbies, the 9 hobbies that we had learned. And also, we have 2 more hobbies. So, in total, we have 11 hobbies. So, let's proceed to our next hobby. So, based on the picture, what are the children doing?
Um, um,
Are they walking? Are they running? Are they jumping? What are they doing? They are
run,
running and
jump,
very
jump, run, run.
okay, very good. So for our 10th hobby, so we call this
Running and
as
jumping in the park.
running and
The jump is about.
in the park. Very good. How about you? How about you, Kevin? Do you like to run and jump in the park? Do you like to run and jump in the park with your friends? Is it a yes or is it a no? I
In
know.
my, in my,
Or in your
my
house.
phone, in my phone,
In your
with my friend.
With your friends. You like to run and jump in the park with your friends? Wow, that's so nice to know. How about when you go to the park with friends? Aside from running and jumping, what other games do you play when you go to the park with your friends? What are the games that you play when you go to the park? Do you also play basketball with your friends at the park?
Đáp án
Oh, you play basketball?
if
It's
play card
play
card
sport?
card
Huh? We play sport?
he will play card
What is scra? What do you play?
kita saling
Basketball? How you play crawl like this?
yes
Ah,
oh
oh,
no no no
ano? What is what?
it it
It's
card
car. What do you mean by car? A card. Okay, not kara. So we call it as card. So it sounds like crawl. That's why I cannot understand it. But we say it as card. Let's say again, card. Can you say the word card? Hello?
it card
Okay, again. Card.
card
Yes, very good. Good job. Again, how do you read this word? Ka 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 card.
card
Very good. So card, not craw. So that's it. So very good. Wow. So what kind of cards do you play with your friends at the park? Do you play Pokemon cards? Do you know Pokemon? Pokemon cards like this. Let me just
don't
show you. Oh, what card?
yes yes
Oh, really? Pokemon? Wow.
nhiều hơn cô
I also used to play this kinds of card. Yeah, this is Pokemon.
hơn cô với con
There are different Pokemons.
không có cách
Wow, that's so nice. Okay, so again, what is our 10th? What is our 10th hobby? It's
ý running running and numbing
jumping.
in the park
Okay, again, very good. Let's say first, jumping,
numbing
not numping.
numbing
Ja, ja, ja. Yes, very good. Jumping.
numbing
Okay, good job. You can do it. How about this one? Can you read this word again? How do you read this?
card
Very good. Card. Okay. So next, let's proceed to our last hobby that we have. What are the children doing in the picture? What are they doing? Hmm. Hmm. Are they fishing?
my
Hmm?
is swimming
Swimming. Very good. For our last hobby, so we have
Swimming in the sea.
swimming in the sea. Okay, when we say sea, so sea is what we usually see at the beach. It is the water
see
at the beach. Yes, very good. How about you, Kevin? Do you like to swim? Do you like to swim? Yes or no? Or do you know how to swim?
yes
Yes. Oh, yes. What do you like? Where do you like to swim more? Do you like to swim in the sea or at the sea? or in the sea or in a pool? Sea or pool?
Me too.
A pool. You like to swim more
No, no, no. Eat,
in
eat,
in the sea?
eat, eat,
Huh?
eat what?
Huh?
Eat two.
Ah,
Eat two.
you like to play in the sea and in the pool.
Gần tiếng rồi mà con chưa
Is
học.
that correct?
Ôi,
So I like to swim in the sea and in the pool. Is that correct? You like to swim in the sea and in the pool? Yes? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
hello. Can you hear teacher?
yes, 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 yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. Again, let's answer again the question. What do you like more, swimming in the sea or swimming in the pool? What do you like more? Do you like to swim in the sea or in the pool?
Eat a bull.
Ah, in the pool.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Again, let's read this word, this one. Let's say pa, pa,
Look, is it that?
pool, not bull.
Look,
Pa,
is it
pa, pool.
pool?
Very
Pool.
good. Pool.
Pool.
Very good. Good job. Why do you like swimming in the pool more? Are you scared of the sea? Are you scared of the sea? Yes or no? Are you scared?
Um,
Mm,
yes.
oh, really? Yeah. Same. I'm also scared, especially the sea. So the sea is very deep. But in the pool, there are some places that the pool is just has a low water, so we can swim freely without drowning. So it is more advisable to swim in the pool rather than in the sea. Okay, but this hobby is one of the good exercises or physical exercises that a person can do if you want to stay fit. So you can do swimming every day. So this is a good physical exercise for our body to be fit. Okay, because we are moving most of our body, we use our arms, we use our legs to swim. Okay, so again, so we had finished our 11 hobbies. So now let's review all of the hobbies that we have. Okay, so let me show you some pictures so that you can familiarize yourself. Okay, so again, let's review. What is our first hobby?
Yeah.
First,
It's eat
it's,
very
it's,
doing sport.
okay,
Doing
perfect,
sports.
very good. Next,
Um, drawing and uh,
and drawing
draw
and,
a picture and painting.
okay, very good. So we can just say painting and drawing picture. So again, what is this hobby? Painting, painting, and drawing pictures.
Um,
Again,
uh,
painting and drawing pictures.
drawing a picture.
Okay, again, what do we call this hobby? It's painting, painting and drawing
drawing
Drawing.
a picture.
Okay, very good. Painting
Painting and drawing pictures.
and drawing pictures.
In drawing picture.
Okay, next. How about this hobby? What is the name of this hobby?
The piano playing the piano or guitar.
Okay, very good. Playing the piano or
Play-
guitar. Next.
Is flying a kite.
Flying a kite. Very good.
Flying a kite.
Next.
Is flying a kite. Is không nhớ. Is singing a song.
Singing a song or singing?
Singing songs.
Singing songs. Next.
Is không nhớ.
What is this?
Is making.
Making what?
Making two kite.
Huh? Making two cake? Okay, this one is, we can call it just making cakes. Okay, and next. Next.
Listen to new music.
Okay, very good.
Listening
to music. Next.
Reading book. Reading a book.
Reading a book. Okay,
reading
very good.
stories.
Or we can just say reading stories. Next. Fishing with who?
With the
Fishing with that. Very good.
Fish.
And next.
is it jumping and running.
Okay, running and jumping in. Where are they running? What is this place? What is this place? Is this a beach? Is this the park? Or is this the house? Where are they running and jumping?
In the park.
Okay, very good. So next hobby,
Running and jumping in the park.
running and jumping in
Running
the
and
park. Okay, and next, the last hobby. It's what is it?
Is swimming in sea.
Okay, very good. So it's swimming in the sea. Okay, very good. So those are the 10 hobbies that most
Swimming
people
in the sea.
or children do. When we say again hobbies, Kevin, when we say hobbies, these are the fun activities that we do in order, especially when we have free time or after school or when we are in our houses. So we can do all of these things. Okay. And for this one, so very good. So very good in learning about and recalling all of the things or all of the hobbies that we had learned today. So make sure to review all of this 11 hobbies that we have, because next time, so we will put this learning or put these hobbies into practice. Okay, so we will have an activity in our next class, which is on Wednesday. Okay, so make sure to review. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Kevin. And I appreciate your effort and good job in this lesson. And see you again on Wednesday. So goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.
Goodbye. So fun.